Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the Snapchat profile picture. We start by entering our Snapchat profile and then click on our avatar. After that, we enter the top settings icon. Here we click on the Bitmoji option. After that, we have several options to modify the photo. We can start by clicking on Edit My Bitmoji. With this, we can customize the physical appearance again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We can also click on Change My Outfit and customize the clothes that our Bitmoji will wear. Finally, we can choose a selfie or position of the Bitmoji as we prefer. Finally, we can see the changes in our Snapchat profile photo. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.